What if learning a new skill didn't feel slow or overwhelming? What if you could go from, I don't get this, to, I actually understand this in minutes? That's not motivation, that's leverage. Today I'm showing you the 6 ways I learn new skills fast using AI for myself, my kids, and inside of my AI for Founders workshops. If you want to remember things longer and optimize your brain's potential, then stick around because learning faster is just the beginning. Number 1, turn any topic into an interactive learning page using Gemini's dynamic view. Gemini is Google's large language model or AI chatbot. But here's the twist. Most people use Gemini to look up answers, but AI isn't a search engine. It's a learning accelerator when you know how to use it. Next time you need to quickly learn something in a pinch, open Gemini by visiting gemini.google.com. Type in the topic that you want to learn, then click the Tools toggle at the bottom of the prompt box and choose Dynamic View. Dynamic View is a cool test feature inside Gemini that gives you a mini app instead of answering in plain text. The AI instantly builds a custom learning page that's interactive, meaning you can click on different elements and interact with the information in ways that facilitate learning. I use this a lot for client learning sessions to help visually explain AI concepts like tokenization or vector embeddings. Number 2, turn study material into actual games. This one feels illegal for kids needing to learn complex topics. For this, we're going to use the AI tool called Lovable. Lovable is my favorite of all of the vibe coding platforms because it's the easiest for beginners. And trust me, I've tried them all. It's an AI vibe coding tool. That just means that you describe what you want to create in plain English or whatever language you speak. Lovable turns it into a web app. It's so easy that my 9-year-old daughter now creates study apps with it weekly. Before creating the app in Lovable, I recommend brainstorming game ideas with a large language model like ChatGPT. Just upload your study material in ChatGPT and ask the AI to create a fun game for your child. Pro tip, include your child's age and interests to help the AI create a more engaging and age-appropriate game concept. Once you have your game idea, head over to lovable.dev and create a free account. Next, paste the game concept from ChatGPT into Lovable's prompt box. You'll then tap the plus sign at the bottom of the box and upload your child's study materials. That's it. You can then go back and forth telling the AI what changes you want made and push publish when you're done. Now, my kids don't ask, do I have to? They ask, can I play again? Number 3, learn from first principles with OpenAI's Universal Primer GPT. This is one of my favorite ways to learn technical or dense topics in record time. Universal Primer is a custom GPT that's been fine-tuned using dozens of the most efficient study techniques available. Methods like the Feynman technique, spaced repetition, active recall, chunking, metacognition, and more. And since you use it inside of ChatGPT, it already has an understanding of how you learn best. It also asks you questions along the way to make sure you're understanding the material before moving on to more advanced concepts. Number 4, this one is still in Google's experimental phase, so you'll need to access it by visiting labs.google.com. It's called Learn Your Way. The goal of this AI tool is to reimagine textbooks for every learner. Since it's still in the testing phase, you can use it with preset topics like astronomy, biology, chemistry, computer science. But soon you'll be able to upload PDFs and have the AI create customized learning materials for you. Think immersive text, mind maps, personalized slides, and narrated presentation. Number 5, NotebookLM is one of the most underrated AI tools available right now, and it's free. You can upload PDFs, slides, audio files, YouTube links, and more. Then ask the AI to create study guides, generate quizzes, or even produce podcast-style audio overviews that break down complex topics in conversational language. NotebookLM is especially useful when it's important that the AI doesn't hallucinate or make up facts. That's because it uses RAG, or Retrieval Augmented Generation. This means the AI only uses the information that you provided. It doesn't pull from the broader internet, so your study materials stay accurate and grounded in the source content that you upload. Honestly, if you're a college student and you're not using NotebookLM to study, you're making life harder than it needs to be. Just saying. Number 6 is an app that helps you stop passively consuming information. It's called Brilliant. Brilliant is where I go to build real problem-solving intuition, especially for math and computer science. Instead of watching someone explain an idea, you work through it visually. You test your thinking, you make mistakes, and then, this is key, you feel the concept click. That kind of learning sticks. What I love about Brilliant is that it meets you where you are. It adapts to your background and your pace. You're not memorizing formulas, you're actually becoming a better thinker, which is critical as we hand off more and more cognitive tasks to AI. AI helps you explore ideas faster, but Brilliant helps you build the mental muscles to understand and apply them deeply. If one of your goals in 2026 is to strengthen how you think, not just what you know, Brilliant is a powerful place to start. To learn for free on Brilliant, go to brilliant.org/AI Optimist, or you can just scan the QR code on screen and get excited because Brilliant is giving my viewers 20% off an annual premium subscription if you use the link below. I was a fan of Brilliant's learning platform before they were supporting this channel, but now I'm a Brilliant lifer. Here's what I want you to remember. Learning doesn't have to be slow. It doesn't have to feel like a grind. With the right AI tools, you can compress months of confusion into days of clarity. AI doesn't just help you learn faster. It helps you learn better. It adapts to how you think. It meets you where you are. And it turns every curious question into a personalized learning experience. So whether you're picking up a new skill for work, helping your kids with homework, or just staying sharp in a world that's changing faster than ever, these AI tools give you an unfair advantage. If you found this helpful, make sure you're subscribed because I'm constantly testing new AI tools and sharing what actually works.